الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة مريم ويقول الإنسان أإذا ما مت لسوف أخرج حيا أولا يذكر الإنسان أنا خلقناه من قبل ولم يك شيئا فوربك لنحشرنهم والشياطين ثم لنحضرنهم حول جهنم جثيا ثم لننزعن من كل شيعة أيهم أشد على الرحمن عتيا ثم لنحن أعلم بالذين هم أولى بها صليا. Translation. And unbelieving humans say, what? When I am dead, will I then be raised to life again? Will not the human remember that we created him before when he was not a thing? So by your Rabb, we shall surely gather them together and the devil's shaitans also. Then we will bring them around Jahannam, hell fallen on their knees. Then we will drag out from every party all those who were rebellious against Rahman. Thus, indeed, we alone knows best of those who deserves most to be burnt in there. In the previous Riku, we studied about the good doers and evil doers and results. And now we are studying about those who doubt about resurrection and living again after death. When Quran speaks of resurrection after death, those who consider it impossible or highly unlikely respond with astonishment, saying, how can a person after dying, after his bones have crumbled and his body has mingled with the earth, be brought forth alive once again? Yet man forgets the most obvious proof of resurrection, that is his own creation. He was nothing, and there was a time when he did not exist at all, and Allah brought him from non existence into existence. Surely, then, the one who created him the first time is fully capable of creating him again. Man's denial of resurrection arises from forgetting the reality of his first creation. As Allah says elsewhere, and it is He who originates creation, then repeats it, and that is even easier for Him. That is in Surah Rum, ayah number 27. Allah then declares that these deniers will certainly be gathered on the day of resurrection together with the devils who had misled and incited them, and they will be brought before Him in utter humiliation. Overcome by fear and helplessness, they will fall to their knees, unable even to stand with confidence or dignity. Then, from every group of disbelievers, those who had been most rebellious, arrogant, and defiant towards the Rahman, the most merciful, will be singled out first. Allah knows perfectly who among them is most deserving of punishment, and those most deserving of the fire will be cast into it before the others. These verses therefore answer the denial of resurrection with a simple but powerful argument. The one who created man from nothing can unquestionably restore him after that. At the same time, they portray the humiliation that awaits those who rejected this truth, followed the path of rebellion, and allowed themselves to be led astray by Satan. Let's pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Oh Allah, make Muslims united. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.